Welcome back. This is the lady in red, aka Eden, and yes, I am back here. Video number 2. First off, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who took the time to share my first video, and please continue to like, subscribe, and click the little bell notification so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, just thank you so much for all your support. It really means a lot to me. This is just something that is super fun for me, and I hope that you all enjoy and continue along watching. And today's video is actually going to be sort of a little Mod Podge of some favorites that I've been loving over the past couple of weeks. We're gonna do some perfume, some skincare, some makeup, and like a little lifestyle. So if you're interested in that, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so actually the first thing that I'm going to talk about is not makeup or anything like that, but it's something that I just discovered, and it is these little Premier Protein shakes. This is the caramel flavor. Guys, this is so good, and I've been seeing everyone like on TikTok putting it in their iced coffee. It's just like creamer, but healthier. Honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend. I used it in my regular hot coffee in the morning. I have an espresso, so I add a little splash of this instead of my regular creamer. It tastes the same, it's healthier for you, and one of these lasts a long time. So the price of this, I think it was like $8 or $9 for a 4-pack, which is a little pricey, but it's worth it because one of those creamer bottles is like $5. So I don't know, I enjoyed it. Let me know if you give it a try. Put in your iced coffee, put in your hot coffee. Caramel is where it's at. Very, very good. And this one's halfway done because I already was drinking it. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is skincare. So there are 2 things that I have been really loving. I've been using them for about 3 weeks. I have pretty dry skin, to be honest. I always have like along my hairline and like my nose area. It gets very flaky. So I have been on the hunt for products that are going to help my dry skin situation. Loving is this face wash by La Roche-Posay. I think that's how you say it. La Roche-Posay. So good. So gentle. Honestly, I got this at Rite Aid / Walgreens, whatever you want to call it now. This was about $15, which is pretty decent considering the size. This is really big. Like, it's, see the size of my head. Usually at Sephora, or like, if you're gonna spend a lot of money on skincare, it's pricey. So this is really, cost effective, cost friendly, and also you want to invest in your skin. So it's definitely something that you can spend a little bit more on, and this is worth it. My skin has been so clear, not dry, no flakes, and honestly, I will repurchase this again. So if you have dry skin like me, this is honestly a gentle hydrating cleanser, so you can probably also use this if you have a more of an oily complexion. It's dermatologist tested, it's for sensitive skin, it's normal to dry, and it is soap free, it's sulfate free, it's fragrance free, and it has niacinamide, which is good for like the dark spots. And it is a prebiotic thermal water, so prebiotics are great for your skin. Honestly, I can't say enough good things. Try this out. Going along with my skincare journey, the next thing, this CeraVe. Now, also another Rite Aid find that I have seen a million people rave about. I have tried every moisturizer under the sun. It's either too thick or it doesn't, hydrate my skin. This is perfect. It is normal to dry skin. It is literally like $7 or $8. It has hyaluronic acid, which for those of you who don't know, that is very important. It's going to stop you from wrinkling. It keeps your skin youthful and plump, so that's something that's really important for you to have in your skincare is hyaluronic acid. And this one is fragrance-free and oil-free. It is not going to clog your pores, and it's not going to irritate your skin, which is something that's very important for me because my skin gets irritated so quickly. Try this out. This and this together have been life-changing for me. I mean, if you know me, you know I have dry skin. So for me to not have any flakes or, you know, peeling is really, really rare. So definitely try these two. Moving on, the next thing that I want to talk about is actually a foundation. This foundation I purchased a few weeks ago, and I've actually really been enjoying it. It is the NYX Born to Glow. It's similar to the It Cosmetics Luminous CC Cream, which I also have. That's a little bit more expensive. This is a really good dupe. It's medium coverage, so it's a little bit thick, but it's definitely buildable. And it is naturally radiant foundation. So if you're somebody who's like me and you have dry skin, like I said, and you want that natural glow, I would definitely check this out. It was like $10, so it was not expensive. It's from CVS. My color is soft beige, and you get 1.01 fluid ounces, so it's a good amount of product for the price. And NYX is such good makeup, honestly. Some of my favorite products are from NYX. So definitely try this out if you're in the market for like a new glowy foundation that's cost friendly. Definitely grab this one. The next thing that I have is also another makeup product that I've been loving that you guys have probably seen everywhere. It is the Lifter Gloss. This is by Maybelline, and honestly, these glosses are so amazing. They also have hyaluronic acid in them, so they're gonna plump your lips without stinging, without burning, and everybody wants those plump lips. I actually have it on my lips now. This is the color Reef. It's like a beautiful pinky nude color. It really gives your lips that shine and that volume without the, you know, tingling or burning of some of the lip plumpers out there. And you could put this over any nude or any pink, and it's just really gonna make them pop. I have been loving this, and it smells so good. It has like a vanilla cupcake scent. There's so many other colors I definitely need to grab. I honestly only have this one, but I've seen people rave about them everywhere, so I'm gonna definitely grab some more. But try this out if you're in the market for a new lip gloss. I promise you will love it. You will not be disappointed. The Lifter Gloss by Maybelline. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is something I already talked about in my first video, but I'm going to mention it again because I feel like it's worth mentioning. It is the Illia powder by Illia Cosmetics. Honestly, so amazing. If you want that airbrush finish, a little bit goes a long way. You get a lot in the pack to begin with. It's 9 grams of powder, so it's a little smaller than the Laura Mercier one, but it's better quality. Less is more, and you will love this. It gives you that airbrush finish. You'll look like a freaking Bratz doll. Like, it is amazing, and I have not seen anybody review this and not like it. Everyone has loved it. It is worth the money. I think it's a little pricier, on the pricier side for a powder, but it will last you so long. I've had this since May, and I'm literally, like, it's still full. And it's gorgeous. You can use it on any complexion. It's sheer. It's going to brighten your under eyes, set your makeup, give you that flawless airbrush finish. I highly, highly recommend it. Again, it's the Illia powder. And the next thing that I'm going to talk about is some fragrance. So for Christmas, I got 2 fragrances that I want to share. I'm a big fragrance junkie. I love perfumes. I also feel like for Valentine's Day coming up, perfume is honestly such a great gift because you know you want to smell good. And then I like to have like my husband tell me what he thinks smells good, because then it's, you know, enjoyable for him. It's a gift that like is a, you know, win-win gift. So for me, the one that I got for Christmas that I'm loving is the Ariana Grande Cloud. It's honestly a beautiful scent. It's like a coconut vanilla, and then it dries down to like a cashmere, so it's full. The dry down is very subtle, floral, beautiful. When you first smell it, it's sweet, but it's gorgeous, and it actually comes out of this little cloud. So if you want to keep it on your, you know, counter like that, or you can put it into the little holder. It smells, I wish you guys could smell this. I've gotten compliments on this already. I've literally had it for like 3 weeks. I walked into the salon when I was getting my eyebrows done, and the girl was like, oh my god, can I ask you what you're wearing? It's beautiful. I'm like, oh, it's Ariana Grande. Like, so beautiful. Definitely recommend this if you like a sweet floral smell. Give it a try. Ariana Grande Cloud. And the last perfume that I have that I also got for Christmas that I'm really liking as well is the Michael Kors Sexy Amber. This is definitely a date night perfume. It's beautiful. It's a mature smell, but it's not too mature that it's like very like musky or overbearing. It's a beautiful perfume for like a day to night. It has amber and I believe sandalwood and jasmine, so it's floral, but it's not overwhelming. It is gorgeous. If you want like a beautiful floral scent that you can wear, this is the one. Michael Kors Amber, Sexy Amber. It's definitely sexy, and it is so nice. Highly recommend trying this one. And yeah, there's one more product that I've been loving that I've been using for a little while. So it is actually hairspray by L'Oreal. It is the High Lift Creation Spray. Guys, this gives me so much volume, like legit. I'll just show you just so you can see. Spray it around, zhuzh it up, and look at that. Instant. It's literally like an instant boost of body for your hair. Smells phenomenal, very cost friendly. It's, you know, L'Oreal. It's so good. Like, no stickiness, no white cast, but it gives you like instant fullness. I just spray it in my hair and like run my fingers through, and I've been loving it. So yeah, those are just a couple things that I've really been liking lately. If you have any recommendations for like things you want me to try, things you want to try, things you want to talk about, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, come hang out with me. Let's have some fun. Let's do this together. Let's have fun. Like, you know, I'm here to do it. So anything you want to see, anything you want to hear, you let me know. I love product recommendations. So yeah, if you have been liking anything or you have any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. Let's chat. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.